Hi, my name is Matt. I will show you how I completed the Chapter 6 Case 3 Aloha properties in QuickBooks. After I created the new business in QuickBooks, the first thing I did was went under Edit, Preferences, Accounting, Company Preferences, and then unchecked the warning for 90 and 30 days, and then went under General, Company Preferences again, and then unchecked Always Show Years as 4 digits, and then went under Reminders and made sure Don't Remind Me's were all checked. The next thing I did was I went under the customer balance sheet, and then the vendors, and then employees, account listings, items, but I'll show you all of the reports that I completed. So the first one is the customer balance summary, which is right here. Here it is completed. I already have that saved in my system. The next one is the vendor balance summary. Right here as well. And this one's already saved as 2. Where's my vendor? Vendor. Next is employees. Here it is. Their information looks like I still have to correct this one here. Customize report, because we just want their SN. It's not a main. SN, address, gender. I think that's everything. Yeah. Looks good. Profile. Save this report. Employee. Contact list. 1. Save. Yes. New. Next is the accounting. Listing. Here, I had to make sure all the numbers were correct, and then also went to the journal to update the numbers. And this one's already saved as well. Next is the item list. Looks like this one needs to be corrected too. So we get rid of the sales, preferred vendor. Okay. Done. No. And then the item list. Oh, redo that one, I'm sorry. And then the trial. Accounting, trial, balance. I'll update the dates. 01/2014. 01/01/2014. Print, save report, trial, balance. Okay, that should be everything. Yeah, thank you.